Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this cute baby special scrapbook. This is customized one and this is for baby boy. So that's why I am using here this lovely sky blue color. On the front side I add a cute picture of the baby and also some stickers. And this side it has a few beads and a sticker. And the size of the scrapbook is 17 into 17 centimeter. At the top of the scrapbook we can see a cute letter element. Here I used blue colored cardstock for base and I used the same color satin ribbon as a locking element to secure the scrapbook. So let's open it. In the first page I added some baby related stickers and one picture which is taken at his birthday. Near to that we can see babies 1, 2 and 3 months photos. In the next part here are some photographs of baby which is just covered with a cute kind of pattern paper. And around that I added some same shaped stickers. In the right side of the next page a card like a hidden element and I just tied that with a piece of paper tray. And inside of that there are some mom and baby pics. Here I have some photos of baby which all are in the same costume and also some stickers. Next is again a hidden element and I stick 6 pictures inside of this card. This is what I fixed like a card and some pictures inside of that. Near to that we can see some pictures like tags in a pocket. The next page is almost similar to previous one. Here I add a cute lovely sticker and inside 2 pictures and 2 stickers. Here is a long pocket. Yeah, that's very long. And inside of that I just add 4, 5 and 6 months photos. This is a cute window frame photo. The frame looks like a window, so I just call this window frame, so don't mind it. And there is also 2 cards which I tie with a white semi-transparent ribbon. In opposite side here is 2 cute baby elements and 1 photo which I framed with a birthday wish. In the next page we can see some milestone photos. And this is a waterfall card. Next is a loaded envelope. Inside of that I added some pictures, some cards and also some stickers. You know that there is no business without stickers in baby scrapbook. This is a birthday wish card and here is some photos. This is my favorite page in this scrapbook. Yeah, looks so cute. Here I added baby's photo, name and birth date. In the next part I just put a lot of little stickers randomly and a pocket with 10, 11 and 12 months photos. This is a beautiful card which I locked with buttons and paper tray. In the last page here is a lovely family photo. You know that family photos are always lovely. And a cute card. In the back side of the scrapbook I fix my logo. Yeah, that's my favorite thing to do in scrapbook making. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like and comment your suggestions.